Imagine going to sleep on your bed and waking up on a boat. What are the first questions you're going to ask those around you? How did I get here? What am I doing here? Where am I going? These are important questions to ask because you have been thrown onto the boat. The boat is moving forward and you want to know where it's going. Your curiosity in this regard is valid. You have been thrown into life. How did you get here? What are you doing here? And where are you going? You are the child of your mother. She is the child of her mother. There cannot be an infinite regress of parents, otherwise there would be no children. Humans, like all animals, came from the earth. All life came from the earth. The earth is part of the universe. The universe had a beginning. There could not have previously been an infinite number of things preceding the universe, otherwise it would not have come into existence. Even if the universe did not have a beginning, it must have been dependent on something. There cannot be an infinite regress of dependent things, otherwise everything would depend on everything else. An infinite amount of dominoes all falling on each other. Therefore, there was an eternal, uncaused first cause, a beginner of everything that exists, one which had no beginning in itself. This is the only way to explain the existence of anything.